Dear students, I am Dr. Abhishek Bajpayee, Assistant Professor of English from Government Shahid Rajiv Pandey College, Bhatagaon. Right now, I will be dealing with the topic of report writing with you. What is report writing? There are certain rules of report writing that we will know. The first one is a report is generally a summary in brief of incidents happened in near past. It contains all the minute details or statements about something heard, seen, or done. It basically talks about the events of the past. Third one is a report can be oral or written. Both reports are valid, but a written report is preferred for clarity, authenticity, and precision. Fourth rule is a report must be written in a simple language that should be understood by all. Fifth one is a report is usually written in reported speech. In a report, we cannot talk about future or present. We will be talking about the events which have happened earlier. Sixth one is the most simple form of report writing is a report of telephonic conversation. And the last rule is if a report is about a particular function, 15th August, or any other special occasion, we should mention the date at the top of the report. So, this was all about a report. Now, I would discuss some general topics or important topics of report writing as the point of your examinations. First one is a report on air pollution in your time. Second is a report on accident that took place last night. Third one is a report on bad conditions of road in your locality. Fourth one is a report on water scarcity in your town. Water scarcity means water is not that much available according to your need. Fifth one is a report on blood donation camp by NCC unit of your college. Sixth topic is a report on students union election in your college. And seventh one is a report on annual function of the college. So I'll be dealing with two important topics of report writing here which I have made. They are, first one is a report on annual function of the college. Here again you have first mentioned the date, as we have written date 14/01/2020. The annual function of Government Shahid Rajiv Pandey Bhatagaon College, Raipur was organized on 14th January 2020, Tuesday. The chief guests were Mr. Satnam Panag, the ward member, and Mr. Kanhaiya Agrawal. The procession began with the worship of Goddess Saraswati. The principal of the college read the annual report of the college and shared her future plans as well. She mentioned the academic performance of the students. She also told the performance in sports, mentioning the selection of students in interstate level Kho-Kho and hockey. She discussed the achievements of students in state level youth festival also. The students were served with a heavy breakfast after the report. The students were then allowed to perform their dancing and singing skills through the cultural program. We all enjoyed the program till 5 p.m. It was a very memorable and successful program. So what we came through right now, we mentioned the date, we mentioned about the point of time and place where it was started. We talked about chief guests, we talked about report writing, performance of student, and at the end we discussed the singing and dancing cultural program, mentioning that it was very successful. So this is how you have to sum up your report, mentioning all the factors. Now I would be talking to you with our second report which I have prepared for you. That is a report on blood donation camp. A report on blood donation camp, November 8, 2019, Raipur. A blood donation camp was organized by the NCC unit of the college on 8 November 2019. Dignitaries and high gentry of the area participated and donated blood to save lives of the patients who needed blood. Our principal was the first to donate blood. All the staff members stood in a queue and donated their blood. Some of the senior citizens also donated blood. The donors were given milk and juice after they donated their blood. The health minister of state was also present there. He gave a short speech on the occasion. He gave away certificates to all the donors. The blood donation camp was a great success. Everybody praised the function. So this is what happened in a blood donation camp. We have to mention date, place, the campus where it was organized, about the people who came, the senior citizens, about the arrangements made for the blood donors, about the chief guest, and at the end we also have to mention the success, the cause which was fruitful. So at the end I would be showing you people with my notes for a few seconds so that you could pause the video and note it down. So at first, these are the rules of the report writing, what to do and what to avoid. Along with these rules, I have mentioned a few important topics of the report writing which are as follows. After the report writing, I have made a report first on an annual function of the college. So this you can note down. And my second report here is related to the blood donation camp at your college. So you please note it down also so that it would be easy for you people to understand what are the basics, what are the requirements for a report depending on the topic. So at the end, I think this video might be helpful for you and you all will be benefited from this video. Thank you students. Good luck.